Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin Receiver. All across the U.S. right now, there are dental practices that are just doing okay. They're keeping the lights on. They're seeing patients. They're probably making some money. And I'm of the firm opinion that your dental practice should be a goldmine. Doing okay is basically an excuse for not doing really well. And I know those are kind of harsh words, but I'm going to stand by them. There's money to be made right now in your market, and you should be making it without having to work yourself to death. I'm kind of an odd duck, I guess, among people who work with dentists to help them get more patients. I want all dentists to be successful, whether they work with us or not. So if you're working too hard, if you're working too long for too little, I want to tell you today how to change that. Let's start with the prospects in your marketplace. Roughly 60% of them are going to be motivated by low prices, specials, and insurance acceptance. Those are probably the prospects that you've been chasing with your advertising for years. Advertising at its core is an attempt to motivate prospects to call your practice, or at least get in touch with you somehow for an appointment. It's a quick hit dose of satisfaction for dental practices, but it wears off quickly and it leaves you chasing that next hit. The problem is the next hit may be quite a while in the coming. Advertising doesn't always work, particularly if a competitor is undercutting you on pricing. There's highs and lows with traditional advertising approach. Advertising costs a lot, and it often doesn't deliver enough of what you pay. It's a slow and uncertain way to realize success. And that advertising approach ignores what motivates the other 30% of prospects in your market. These better patients that have the ability and willingness to pay more for the right dentist, the ones with discretionary income that aren't looking at their insurance. They're very loyal to the dentist that they choose. But you're not going to attract those prospects by throwing low prices and specials at them. Dr. James from New Hampshire knows all about advertising. He knows what it takes to attract quality new patients because he said this, quote, "Some of the advertising I've done in the past was more offer-driven, free exams and x-rays. And when you bring patients in that kind of way, you're always chasing them for that next offer, for the next offer all the way down the line. Since we've implemented our patient attraction system, we're getting the quality new patients that I want to see coming into my practice," end quote. SmartBox's patient attraction system is a much better way to attract new patients, and here's why. It doesn't make you suffer through those quick hit highs and lows. SmartBox provides a steady stream of more and better patients so our doctors can focus on doing the dentistry and enjoying their life. Now, let me say that what SmartBox does for dentists, some dental practices can accomplish for themselves. There's plenty of information out there in our Patient Attraction podcast, our magazine, our Inside Patient Attraction webinars, our blog, or my several books. But putting all this information together and maintaining it, this systematic approach, is a significant investment of your time, and it's going to require some skills that don't directly make you a dollar. Realize that as a dentist, you make your money and provide for your family when you're treating patients and solving your patients' dental problems. So here's what I always say. Yes, you can do what we do, but it's not the best application of your time and talents. Now, don't take my word for it. Discover what a patient attraction system can do for your practice. Reserve a no-cost, no-obligation discovery session with us. This is a 15-minute conversation where we walk through what a patient attraction system is and learn about your practice and how we can install our systems to generate you more and better patients. After the session, you're going to receive a free patient attraction roadmap customized to your practice. We're going to show you how SmartBox provides a steady stream of new patients so you can focus on doing the dentistry and make your practice into everything it can be. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.